Hello everyone, let's take a look at how this adventure began.
Guys, Sons of the Forest has been released.
Let's download it and check it out right away.
Dude, how did they create the build system for this?
Is there a version without creators?
Should we make that?
It could be like a simulation, just the life of a man building a house.
We can write the code for that.
And we can create the models.
So, are we doing this?
Alright, let's get started. So, we started thinking about what we could add on top of our mechanics that we admired to expand it, working on the game design document preparations.
A few moments later.
Build system, 3 cutting mechanics, player controller, 3 mechanics, vehicles, driving, night mechanics, skill system.
Since we had a brilliant reference, our design was bound to be realistic. However, we still wondered about what we could add and what we could remove, make it even better. We conducted several experiments. The first impression is important. We began the initial steps of the main mechanic of our game, which is the build system. To it being a unique build system, we did write the rules in great detail initially. Later on, we progressed gradually from simple to complex rules by following a step-by-step approach. To manage the into the void, modeling and coding, we opened up the space in the code and decided to insert the models as we create them. During this progress, we developed a basic control system to enable us to conduct tests and establish the fundamentals of our main character.
3 weeks later.
Shopping, dialogues, menus, cutscene, character selection screen, dimensions, house, car, road, stone, lead, NPC.
Yes, we have to come to the point of preparing the visuals for our game. For this, everything from the tiniest pebble to the grandest mountains needs to be ready, and that seems almost impossible for us. However, our goal is to create the main objects that the player will constantly see. The first thing we need is a log.
1 eternity later.
Deer, bird, brush, wood, eggs, flower, coffee, animations, sounds, effects, art style, game setting, models, characters, supporting, region names, map.
It's time to turn this great thing into a log. For this, just like it's written in the GDD, we should use a realistic art style. However, since we are not targeting only a niche audience with just 40,000 graphic cards, we need to apply different optimization techniques, and that means there will be plenty of time skips. The beginning of the end. Now, it's time to clash and merge our models with our code. Ta-da! This is the initial version of our build system. I know, this is exactly like Sons of Forest. But remember, this is just the beginning. Our goal is to create a whole new world around this detailed build system. We focus on the life of Mr. Oktay, who lives in the seaside town and whose best job is to build long houses. Stay tuned to see what our game transforms into. And the reason we made this video is to create this game together. So we'd be very happy if you share your comments with us. Thank you for watching.